Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Mi Smart Standing Fan 2 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this fan is not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it is not pairing or syncing with the app or your device, or if it's having any issues where it keeps disconnecting or anything like that, it's not responding and you're trying to fix it, this is a good step to do that. The other reason is if you want to set this up on a new network, or in a new home or anything like that, we can clear out all of the previous Wi-Fi pairing information and get a totally fresh start as though we were just taking this fan out of the box. And it's very simple to do. We need to have power connected to the fan, and we're just going to come in and, as shown here, press and hold simultaneously the power button and the fan speed button. And you're basically just going to continue to hold them for several seconds until you hear a long beep out of the fan, indicating that the reset is complete and you can go ahead and set up your fan as a new fan.